guys, today I'm doing a video of the garage. So this button right here, it's a 893 Max. So yeah. So here we go. It's pretty rough. Okay. Now going down. You heard that squeak? I don't know if I should open it one more time. All right. Should I do it? I don't know. You know what? One more time. Not all the way. All right. Now, I got my mom's keys, but for the last time, there's the opener. All right, the last time. 3, 2. I'm trying to make sure I film this good. Sorry if it's shaky. All right, 3. Wait, hold up. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, I hope I filmed that good. All right, bye.